guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I hope you guys are doing well. We have a brand new spring release today. So we have 2 new stamp sets and a paper pad, all designed by Teresa Russell. She is fresh and renewed with Teresa here on YouTube. So I'm going to start showing you the 2 cute stamps and then we'll dig into this paper pad. We've got this really cute little Easter set here. This one is called Easter Wishes. It features that cute little bunny rabbit, so adorable, holding that stack of eggs. And then you can have these eggs all piled up around him or use the eggs for the Easter basket. Then we've got a cute little bumblebee. We've got the sentiment Easter Wishes, Hoppy or Happy, and then we've got Cottontail's Easter Farm. So a super fun set. And then we've got Flower Truck, and this one is a solid stamp for this truck here. So go ahead and ink that up with your favorite inks. And then we have some flowers in a glass base there, so you can color that one up. We've got the sentiment, freshly picked flowers. We've got, well, hello there, choose kindness, laugh often, and hey friends. There's a pretty little butterfly, and then there's 2 sets of flowers that you can stamp in the truck, or you can stamp them in the background if you want to make a little scene with flowers and grass. So really pretty set. And we are having a YouTube hop on the 3rd, so come back on March 3rd to check out the YouTube hop. We're going to have a giveaway, and we're going to share some inspiration for these 2 stamp sets. We've got a 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided sheets, and 2 of each design. So we've got really pretty little polka dots, and they are tiny, almost a solid. And then on the other side, we've got some bigger polka dot patterns. And then the colors are so pretty. Just perfect for spring. We've got all these pastel colors. So you're going to really enjoy this paper pad for spring. So 2 different shades of each color. I love this color here. Such a pretty blue. And then these purples are gorgeous. I'm going to have the link down below to the shop so you can pick up the new release. You can use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order. Orders in the US over $60 ship for free. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.